Here we have Arif PMP from Riyadh. So the most successful man recently cleared PMP, and he's so excited about this achievement. I asked him, "How do you feel?" He said, "I'm still the top of the world." Huh? So that is certificate, the orange one, Arif with PMP. Congratulations from Sri Learning and the team. We are so happy to see that people succeeding in their life, because certificates can set you on the top list in the organization. Two things are there. One, we find of a new job. Other thing is in the job we excel. For both the way, certificates helps us to move. It's not about the salary and package only. It's about the job satisfaction. If you do something, we do with the highest quality. So Arif took this all this effort apart from his family life and professional life. He spent some time to prepare and come up there. So good wishes to Arif. We'll be so happy to listen to you, your success journey. Yes, Arif.
Hi, Sriram. Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for appreciating an achievement. Definitely, this is one of my greatest achievement so far in my past 14 years of IT experience.
Uh-huh.
Uh, in fact, this is the first certification I was tempted and I was intended to come
Mhm,
over, come
mhm,
over, and
mhm,
I was looking for the right, I mean, the right person to guide me or right institute to have a good start.
mhm,
Uh, Actually, I before I give my experience about this exam, I would like to give a small previous experience how I made a mind or how I made dreams about be a PMP aspirant in my life.
mhm,
So when I was working with one of the top MNC in India, I was around having 3 years of experience. And I was more interested into the management activities and look beyond the boundaries. Not just do your activities, but I'm looking where I can make an impact. Just see beyond the boundaries. And I have done internal courses like PM54 and PM10. There were internal courses of that organization. And I have gone through a mentor program about disaster recovery, where I spent 6 months of training from a PMP certified project manager over the call. And it was like I have to spend extra hours to get this one. And after that, I have been assessed based on my skills, communication, problem solving, other activities, which is essential for assessment. And I have successfully got the good rating over there. And after that, my profile was placed in PMO office for new opportunities. And then what happened due to some, after that, I have to leave the organization due to some personal commitments where I land here in Riyadh. It's been 7 years working here in Riyadh, but still I want to finish or complete the goal which I have set 7 years ago. Then I was looking for, I have a LinkedIn profile and I was going through every day. And suddenly, what I see the trend in LinkedIn, most of my friends in LinkedIn have been clearing PMP. And every time I see it is Sri learning.
okay.
Every time I see it's a Sri learning. Then I contacted one of my batchmates.
Mm,
I got his feedback and I got some information, initial inputs from him. I mean, how he went through, how was the training. He given me like exactly what I felt after the training. He gave me the very good feedback. Then immediately on the same day itself, I have contacted you for the LinkedIn. Then I got in contact with Rahul also. Then things
mm,
went on. And since the day I started learning with Sri Learning, and after you, Sriram, as a prime mentor of the Learning Institute, it was a good start actually. I mean, people have a problem like, the initial fear they have it. Like, I can't achieve this one. PMP is a very difficult certification. Even I have my managers, previous managers who attended this training and have failed that attempt. And one of my colleague, he also failed in his attempt. And I do have such a feeling about this certification that this would be harder. Once I started uh, attending your training session, it was really a good start for me. And the content of the training is so absolute. And the way you present, Shidam, I really want to appreciate you on this one. You have some magic. You attract all the audience to get the base. I mean the basics of
Arif,
the
getting a disturbance in the mic. Probably you can keep it.
yeah. Yeah. Is it clear now?
Yeah, fine. Please.
All right. Yeah. The contents of the training and I mean content is same everywhere you go.
Almost same,
all,
right?
all the training centers have the same set of content because all the knowledge areas and all the things are same. But the person who makes an impact is you. How you make the people get attention to the content, and after the training you are giving some assessment, or I mean you want that I mean you have given some assignments, write this all the process groups, 49 process groups and ITTOs,
Right.
and also that gives us it's a continuous improvement, not
Mm.
to stop at one point and think about whether to go or no. That was not the point at all during the training. It was continuously flowing. Even sometimes when I felt okay, not today, but I see I mean over the WhatsApp group people are sending their
Amazing.
in yeah all their they're sending it, then I feel myself shy. Oh no, if I stop one day I'm gonna be fall behind them.
Okay.
And so yeah, that's what I mean, that rigorous.
Mm.
And I mean you made, I mean everything is I mean what I call it is totally the developing skills are
Mm.
extreme,
Mm.
and connecting the impact is extremely appreciable, especially you are the person to have an impact on all these
Good to
things.
know. Good to know. Thanks
Yeah.
for that, Arif. So, how many hours you spend, Arif? I know your life is busy with the work there. How much hours you have to spend per day for reading, average?
Actually, Sriram, uh, I scheduled my exam on April 17th.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, after that, due to Corona, COVID-19, all of the scheduled exams have been cancelled. And
Mm.
after that, there was a gap. Then I scheduled my exam 2 months before my exam, September 15th, 2 months before the exam date.
Mm. Mm.
And I used to study maybe 6 hours to 8 hours, and I used to spend the whole night. I used to start after the dinner, and I used to uh, study until wake up until in the morning during prayer time. Then after I do prayer and I sleep. So that was my schedule for a whole week. And after that, I used to give prepcast exams. And I'm not very much fond of giving exams. Sometimes I feel maybe it may motivate you. Sometimes it may I mean, take your confidence level low. So what I have,
Mm.
but from the concept wise, I was confident. When I give my first exam over the prep cast, I got around 65 percentage.
Mm. Mm.
Then I have to retrospect what has been and why I haven't achieved above 70.
Mm.
Then I have gone through each and every question. Then I retrospect that actually uh, brought the links connected. Actually, where I had, I mean, that filled the knowledge gap.
Right. Right.
So I mean, the exam not writing the exam. You have to check the exam result, and also you have to check the each and every question. Even you make it right, even you make it wrong. So we have to check each and every answer. And when I was checking the answers, I was like, go back to the knowledge group again. and see what are the content over there and fill my gap. So, and after that, I gave my second exam. I got around 72 percentage. 72 percentage. I do have family, Sriram. I do have family. I have three kids. I mean, they are around 7 years, 5 years, and 1 year old, and it is very
Oh,
difficult for me. Yeah,
busy home.
very busy. Yeah, and also due to COVID-19, their classes happening over online.
Online.
Yeah, I mean, it's completely packed actually. But I found myself to conveniently took the, I mean, it was like only convenient time is to read during the night times because somehow I have to finish the exam because the date is, I mean, for PM Box 6 is gonna uh, end by this end of this December, right? Maybe a January. So I want to finish this exam anyhow. So I have spent a lot of time despite my family, uh, like all, even I'm fully packed. I have spent 6 hours daily until the exam date. And the day before the exam,
Yeah, I think
yeah,
yeah, a few seconds we got stuck there.
yeah,
Please
yes,
proceed.
but
Proceed.
yeah.
Proceed.
And after that, there is another important thing I wanna tell to the audience,
Mhm.
which would be most useful. After this study pattern, uh, content, and the exams, I have watched a few more YouTube videos. Those videos also help me a lot. And when you go to the, I mean, when you're gonna go to the war, you have to equip with all the
True.
necessary things. Yeah. So
True.
because I am trying all the ways, I should not come with uh, come with losing the exam. No, no.
True.
I have. If I go to the exam, I must have to complete it,
Prepared for it.
finish it. Yeah. So prepared. So those videos also over the YouTube. I have shared his name in my LinkedIn.
Mm.
Uh, yeah, those videos are really. I mean, they're also good because I want to appreciate the work they have made. Uh, these are things. But these are the people a part of my success. Sri Learning, Sri Ram is the most first. I mean, most. He's on the top of the list who impacted me to achieve this one, to achieve this PM certification.
Good. Good,
Yeah.
good, good to know, Arif. That's a really good one from you. By the way, tell me, your experience, does it help when you prepare for the exam? Did you feel that, yeah, this is what I have to learn, or this is what I'm already doing it a little bit in my corporate, not fully, maybe some percentage.
Yes, Sriram. I'm a person with rational.
Mm,
I'm not looking for, like immediately it should give me
mm,
the benefit. No,
mm, mm,
that is why, over the period of time, I've been having the same sort of mindset. Like, not. I mean, as you said, the same sort of mindset. Like, if I do the certification, what I'm getting next? I'll be a project manager directly, or I'll be, that these are the things, these are the obstacles. When we think in that way, we will never uh, feel to have the certification. Even every certification is the same concept. It has
right.
to go. It has to. My aspiration was like, this PMP should be.
Mm.
Sorry for this.
Yeah, please.
It should be helping me in my project activities. Actually, since I have around 14 years of experience. I worked in production support, and I interact daily with the customer. Is one of the key stakeholder in the project, and he got uh, high impact and high interest. And also, we work in a multinational culture.
Right.
People from Europe, America,
Mm,
Africa, across the world. After clearing the certification, even before the certification, when I was preparing for the content,
mhm.
this one, what am I feeling was I am. I can see the things now in a broad line. I can figure the, I mean, I can give, I mean, I can make some impact, maybe not an impact, maybe some suggestion to the management or to find out the process gaps. And like it is helping me a lot after the certification. I'm not really looking to, to be a project manager after, after completing PMP certification. No, but this certification gave me a broad perspective of the project you are doing. I mean, how the things can be improved, how you can make a good team, how you can make your customer satisfied, how you can be a problem solving person. These are the things I have learned, and they are giving me a value back after the certification. So I would say that.
Perfect. Perfect. Got it. Got it. Good, Arif. I can see the involvement what you showed. I can listen that you have seen some of the experience from your senior people in the corporate, your colleagues, and you took it very seriously and you worked out. Yeah, you gave a lot of appreciation for us. I also have to give it back to all the people who clear the exams. It's not only somebody pushing, right? Other
Yeah,
person also should take it. I generally believe that we tell that, right? You can take the horse near the river.
yeah.
Horse has to drink the water. So the thirst is there with you, right? That made you to come here. I'm so happy for your success, right? You have to succeed more in your life with this growth.
Thanks, Sriram. And also, I would like to tell you one thing. If, I know you have got a lot of programs, training programs apart from PMP.
Hmm.
Uh, in future, I would be, for any requirement which I mean, for any certification, definitely I'll be reaching Sriram and Sri
Welcome,
Learning first. Yeah.
welcome, welcome, welcome to the certification
And
board.
also, I have, I have told to a lot of my network,
Hmm.
friends, colleagues, if you are doing any, I mean, if you are planning for a PMP, let me know. I will guide you better. Yeah,
That's true. You know the path of traveling, how to go, right? That's a hard-earned experience.
yeah,
Really
sure.
good one, good one, great. Good, and I appreciate that. Sunday is a working day for you, I believe. You should be at work.
Yeah, Sriram. I'll be
Uh,
go. Yeah, yeah, I'll be
I
going.
know it's a work in UAE, and thanks for spending time with us to give this valuable inputs. Really going to help many people who are looking out for suggestions.
Yeah,
And,
and I'm
mm,
sorry to interrupt you. I should not forget to appreciate Rahul. Uh,
mm,
yeah, Rahul is
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
he's a backbone.
Rahul is the backbone of entire this process.
Okay.
He never let us go down, and he always like keep the things floating. And he got, I mean, I appreciate him, and I hope you. I mean, he's perfect for. I mean, he's doing very good job in his role, and he's outstanding.
Great. Good
He's
to know.
outstanding.
Good to know. Yeah, we always be happy with such kind of contribution from our team members. That's really great. Great. Thanks a lot, Arif, for coming over here and giving a lot of inputs in that and a lot of appreciation top of that. Right, you made us to feel so great. And
I feel privileged. Say that.
that's great, Arif. Have a good time and let your success keep continuing from here on. Right, this will a lot of success on your life. Good wishes. Thank you.
Thanks, Sriram. Thanks.